Easy DIY.
Hey, what you doing out here?
So frustrated. Hey, buddy. I'm trying to light this crackler firework. It's almost the 4th of July, so I want to celebrate, but the wind keeps blowing out my flame. I get a little bit of flame and it blows it out as soon as I try to light it. Look. I don't get it. I don't understand.
Well, you know, I might have something here to help you out. Check this baby out.
What is that?
Well, this is the brand new plasma lighter I just got.
Ooh.
It's got a screen. 100%.
What is a plasma lighter, though, guy?
Well, so it uses these 2 electrodes to make a beam of electricity. So it's 100% windproof and no gas or flame involved. Look at this.
Oh my!
That should light that crackler up, no problem.
I can't even get a.
So let's get rid of this thing. No one wants that anyway. And let's try it again with this baby. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ethan.
And I'm Ron.
And today, you know, it's almost the 4th of July. That's coming up here tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
And, you know, I was kind of searching the web the other day, and I was looking for some nice, like, torches or something to lighten the fireworks with. And all of a sudden, I see this, a plasma lighter. You know, so this replaces your standard gas lighter. You know, sometimes it can be finicky. The flame doesn't want to stay lit. If it's windy, you're pretty much done for. You know, it's just overall not good when you're trying to light fireworks and run. So today we have this plasma lighter here. We're going to show you kind of how it compares to your standard gas lighter. And, you know, we're going to put it through a couple of tests, see how it compares. And, you know, overall it's just going to be a fun video.
We are excited to share this with you. We've struggled for years with this. People waiting for the fireworks. We can't get it. The flames are blowing out. We tried punks, and they go out because some of these fuses are really thick.
Yeah, just nothing.
So we are excited to share this with you guys. It's awesome.
So this is going to be a good video. Let's get right into it. All right, guys. So the first test we're going to do is the wind test. It's not that windy outside, so we've decided to try it with the fan. So first we're going to try your traditional gas lighter on level 3. So this will be kind of like your normal wind you have here.
I'll lock it in place so it doesn't oscillate on us.
So here we're going to demonstrate that this lighter is 100% completely functional.
Outside of the wind.
So you know it'll stay lit. But now as soon as you put that into the wind, look at it, it's gone. You know, you're trying to light fireworks on a windy day. That's going to be a pain. You know, it just doesn't light that great. You know,
even out here, right?
Yeah, like far, you know, it doesn't matter how far back you are from the wind. It's
not even back here wouldn't be a strong wind, but look at this.
It won't stay lit. See, it just blows right out. It's just not very good. All right, now we're going to try the plasma lighter, as you can see here. So, you know, it doesn't really matter.
So we got a button here, right?
Yeah, you just push the button on the front.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Off
So,
to the side,
show you, see it's lit there? Now watch when you move it into the fan. Nothing, it stays lit. Doesn't matter how high the wind is, it stays lit. So I mean,
this thing is in front of a fan directly.
And it's staying lit. I mean, you're never gonna have these crazy conditions lighting off fireworks. So this will work for any of your needs, no matter how far away you are, no matter how windy. I mean, it's just an overall good lighter. So let's move on to the next test, which is actually lighting a firework. All right, guys, so you saw, you know, the fan test. That's all fun in the game. That's all good, you know. But what about like a real world test? You know, you actually want to be out here lighting some stuff. You got to see how well it lights it. So, you know, we just got one of these little cracklers here. Nothing too terribly large, but
yeah, it's still got a pretty good fuse on it. If you can see it,
pretty good size fuse on there. See how this thing does on here. And I just want to remind you guys, it doesn't look like it much, but I mean, this thing can light. You know, it's gonna light candles, fuses, all that kind of stuff. So be careful when handling these things. It can be dangerous if used incorrectly. Just a quick disclaimer there. But let's get rid of them and let's go ahead and light this baby. So you just gotta go here and then line it up with the fuse like that, and just like that.
It's already lit.
You got it lit.
We're stepping back here. Hey, you get little fireworks too. How about that?
Yeah, there you go. You see, I mean, it's instant. You know, it's you know, it'll do whatever you need it to, like the little cracklers and all that kind of stuff. So Yeah, it's a pretty sweet product here. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that just quick little holiday video, kind of see if we can make your 4th of July a little bit better. If you are interested in purchasing this lighter, you can go ahead. I'll leave a link down below for the Amazon. I believe it's $10.99 if you have a Prime membership, $16.99 if you do not. That's 16, not 60. $16.99 if you do not have a Prime membership. But I'll put the link down below. There's hundreds of different kinds of these, but if you want this exact one, the link will be down in the description.
It was great to see you guys again. Thanks for joining us. Have a wonderful, safe 4th of July, and hopefully you do things the easy way, right? And the safe way.
Yes.
We will see you guys soon with more videos.
Have a fun and safe 4th of July from Easy DIY, and we'll catch you next time. See you later.